Marxist. So, because we're talking about other subcultures. So, other subcultures could come as a result of class. According to Karl Marx, in every society there is class.
Yes.
That is Karl Marx. So, there could be subculture based on class. So, when we talk about subculture based on class, we're talking about beliefs, ways of life of working class, ways of life of middle class. So, according to sociologists, they believe that the working class have a separate norms and values that is different from the middle class. Look at the working class children, how they behave. Look at the middle class children, how they behave. So if the working class children could behave that way, it means the working class parents will have their own ways to different from the middle class. So that means a subculture can be formed according to class.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Then we have subculture based on interest. So when we talk about subculture based on interest, here we're talking about what you like, what you are committed to, what you are devoting your time towards.
Yes.
So here I wrote, members of this type of culture makes it an integral part of their identity. So when we talk about subculture based on interest, it means what I want to be identified with. So it becomes an integral part of me. So we are forming a subculture based on our interests, what we like. It could be politics, it could be social, it could be bodybuilding. Do you get it? So
Yes.
because we have formed an identity that is separated from the main identity, the main culture is a subculture of interest. Is it clear? So these are subcultures of interest. We have religious, which makes religion is a culture. So if demands in the economy, if the demand in the society in that religion aspect is stronger than what it should be, then it becomes a subculture. For ethnic minority group, we're talking about, for example, the immigrants. Like I'm a Nigerian,
Yes.
so we have our culture. Our culture is different from those of the Libyan culture.
Yes.
So whatever we practice that is different from yours is a subculture. Then we talk about the class subculture, which means we're talking about how the working class, the values and the norms of the working class, which is different from the values and norms of the middle class. Now the last one is the subculture based on interest, which means we're talking about what you like, what interests you, what you want to be identified as, that you are devoting your time on. So you are creating a culture, a subculture from the main culture.